Back with some more Amaro. We're tasting Averna today. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And I feel like I was a little aggressive in that intro, but I feel like I've been threatening for a while to get a bottle of Averna and taste it for you guys. So, cracking that open. Averna is an Amaro from Sicily, and it's probably most familiar use, among us in America is in a black Manhattan, where you basically either replace some or all of the sweet vermouth with Averna. It's a really good cocktail. It's a good, if you like a Manhattan, it's a nice little twist on a Manhattan. Gives you a little more depth of flavor than I think a vermouth does. Just like any other Amaro, you can drink this neat, drink it on the rocks with a little twist of orange is delightful. But let's see what this smells and tastes like. Cola right off the bat, hardcore. Maybe a little coffee. And then definitely getting a whole bunch of herbs, like the rosemary, thyme, oregano type of herbs. All in all, it smells pretty delicious. Ooh, potent. It's like a, it's funny, it's like a cola. The cola is ever present, right? So cola is dominating, but then I got a bit of a wasabi vibe, because it almost went up my nose and cleared my sinuses in some way. I didn't expect that. This is a bit stronger than I recall the last time I had Averna. But all in all, it's pretty delicious. Yeah, if your nose is a little stuffy, you can take a little Averna too. This so there is there's a mentholy note. I get some orange peel in there too, but on the palate, which I didn't get on the nose, is a little bit of menthol, more so than I remembered. So this is still a bit of a beginner's Amaro. Given that menthol note, I think you just need to be careful, right? If you're a beginner and you don't want something like that entering into play, and you like something that's going to be a little more friendly, I kind of stick to like the Amaro dell'Etna or something like that. But this is a standby, right? It's a traditional standby in Amaro. It's delicious. Put it in a black Manhattan. I think I'm going to make one later tonight, probably. Now that I'm thinking about it, now that I cracked this open. And come on back for more videos. I'll talk to you soon.